Specialist industrial automation connectivity. Plug-and-play technology has truly entered industrial automation. As technology is continuing to advance, we now face power, signal and gigabit Ethernet in our machines, with single-pair Ethernet starting to emerge. So as a machine builder, how does one cope with all this connectivity inside the machine envelope? One solution is to use individual connectivity shown in our M8 and M12 series, and also the M17 series. An alternative approach is to look at the technology inside, then look at the cables and connectors needed. As a cable manufacturer specializing in the automation sector, Lutze can make it possible to have your own bespoke cable manufactured to your requirements, and to fit in line with the technology being used, subject to a manufacturing quantity and lead time. So typically, you may have a power cable, a control cable, an Ethernet cable, and an electronic cable. Then terminate with crimped contacts into a connector, like this, with the completed assembly, looking like this. At Lutze, with our experienced team in industrial automation, cable and connectivity, we can support you with your technical requirements, to ensure you make the right connections on your machine. As a global manufacturer, we understand that you also have global needs and must meet the requirements of that country. Lutze can help you. Lutze products are available from our authorized distributors. If you need technical assistance on your connectivity, please contact Lutze on 01827 313330 or email sales.gb@lutze.co.uk. For more information, visit www.lutze.co.uk.